Hello everyone, welcome to the ATL Marathon 2023. I am Ronit.
And I am Nikhil from grade 8 studying in Excel Public School, Mysore. We are the Ascent designers.
For people who use wheelchairs, climbing the stairs can be a big ordeal. We have created an innovative transportation and infrastructure solution that is inclusive and accessible for people in wheelchair, ensuring equal access to mobility options and embracing the overall urban experience for everyone.
Our innovation, Easy Ascent, a portable wheelchair ramp, was born out of our need for easy access to public areas for people with mobility impairment. The Easy Ascent is a utilitarian device which can be installed on any stairway. It is a modular ramp which consists of 3 pieces and can be easily slid in and out. It has an interlocking system which ensures that the different pieces of the ramp can be set to achieve different lengths.
The rubber padding on the smallest piece makes sure that the ramp stays in place and does not move or slip while the wheelchair is going up or down the ramp. Its anti-skid feature prevents the wheelchair from sliding and going back.
The Easy Ascent can be used in 2 different modes. First is as a portable wheelchair ramp by individuals for their own use since it is lightweight. Second is by the building management for converting their building into a wheelchair friendly one. For making the prototype, we have used Sunboard and MDF board.
Nikhil helped in making the prototype and worked on secondary research.
Kshetrapal contributed by working on the primary research interviews, prototype development, and the research document. Ronit handled the interviews for the primary research, helped me in secondary research and in building the prototype. He also wrote the conclusion and references for the research document.
We believe that our innovation will be highly beneficial for wheelchair users all over the world.
Thank you.